Hi guys, it's Tiffany here to do another recap. Today I had a rough morning. I kept getting into things and partialing and then getting stopped out. I just couldn't find anything to trade, and I think I was trying to force trades. But I did find a nice trade on NIO. It was a very long trade. I was in it most of the day. It opened very strong, as you can see on this 5-minute and the 15-minute. Had really nice strong candle in the open, and after the 15-minute closed, really strong. I waited for it to pull back to the VWAP and see how it treated it, how it was treating the VWAP, and it did reject it on relatively low volume. And once it rejected it twice and it made a new 5-minute high, I went ahead and went long with a stop loss right below the VWAP. My first profit target was this previous day close. And then I took partials on levels that I have marked from the daily. And then it did, it never did come back down to my break-even point. And I really thought that it was just going to go up and test this, this 1260 level that I have marked from the daily, which it did. And I went ahead and took quite a bit of partial there. And then it came back down and could not quite reach the 100 moving average, and that's what I was waiting on to add to my position. If it touched the 100, I was going to add, and if it broke through, I was going to get out of my position. And as you can see right here, it actually came down and tested this level I have marked from the daily 3 times and couldn't quite touch this 100 moving average. So I went ahead and added to my position, and it went back up and tested that same 1261 level. I had another level marked at 1280, and I just didn't think it could make it. So I partialed again pretty heavy right here at this next level. As you can see, and this is why I did that, this volume came in and right at the previous level that it had a hard time getting through. And then I went ahead and exited my position once it lost this 100 moving average right here. And that was it. That was the best trade that I took today. The other ones, like I said, I got in, I would partial very quickly and then get stopped out. So I'm ending on this one. I think it's a good one to end on, and I'm done for the day. I hope you all had a great day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.